What's up, YouTube?
I'm Anna.
Mike.
This is This Mountain Life.
Oh, yes it is.
It is. We're doing our moto van build. Today we're going to be cutting holes on the top of the van to put in our Maxx air fans, which is pretty scary.
Not really.
No, it's terrifying.
It'll be all right.
We're going to hopefully do a good job. We're also going to put our solar panels on the roof today too. We've been creating some templates out of cardboard so we know how big they're going to be. And we've been putting some 80/20 aluminum on the edges of our solar panels so we can mount it to our roof rack.
So if this is your first time with us, go watch the rest of the videos first and hit the thumbs up on those and then come back.
Right.
So we're gonna get started. Whee! Can you reach these kinds? Whee! Don't fall. If you're not careful, where you want your fan might interfere with one of these ribs up here. So you kind of want to use, like we used a magnet to kind of trace out, okay, this will work inside, this will work on top of the van. And we'll come down here and we'll start our template inside of the van. We'll get it all lined up, get everything all squared away here, and eyeball the crap out of it, because we don't want to measure anything, because that would be smart. And your arms are going to get tired. But then trace your line, hit your drill up in these corners, a little bit inside from the corner, get the hole the right size, and then go to the top, transfer your template to the top of the van, and then blah, hit it up with the old saw. Okay, my arms are getting tired. Now, Anna did mention we're a little nervous about cutting holes in the van. She is, but I'm gonna be all right, just saying. Fix anything. Got a welder in there and some paint, we'll be fine. So I have two fans. I'm gonna do one completely first to make sure that, like, if there's anything I'm not thinking about, I only screw up on one hole and I can, you know, adapt for the other fan. So that's the plan. Hi. so weird to look up and see the sky. It really is. I'm gonna get the fan and test fit it.
So Mike and I have a little bit of a dilemma. We want the fan right here where you see this, but you can see there's a rib on the left and a rib on the right. And then there's this next bay over. If we can keep the fan here towards the back of the van, it'd be better, but the solar panel, there's not quite enough room right here above this for us to have a last solar panel up there. So either we hang it off the roof a little bit, a little more to the left, or we move the Maxx air fan over to this bay, and then we'd have room for the solar panel here, no problem. But then our deck up on top is a lot smaller, which we kind of want a bigger deck. So all these dilemmas. So we're gonna try to see how well the solar panels fit up there, and then we'll kind of make some decisions from there before we cut this hole. So here you see the solar panel, and you see it with the 80/20 aluminum already attached. We do that this morning.
Well, I guess it's time to get the butyl tape out.
Okay.
At least get this thing in.
Yeah. Got one fan. We're going to test it up with our 12-volt battery and just see if this actually is going to work.
I kind of want the fan as far back to the bed as possible. Because yeah, I kind of want it there too. You know, I want the fan close to like over our heads. So this is where the solar panel is going to go. I got an idea. What I can have is I can have the solar panel coming off the back ever so slightly. But this fan would be like, that's the spot, right?
Right.
Let's put it here.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi. Nice.
Very cool.
Very cool.
I can't believe that took all day to do something simple.
Oh, it's okay. I think the solar panels that we have left to go are going to not take as much time. This was the part that I was most scared about, so. Mm-hmm.
makes sense.
But I like the location of them both. I think they're both really nice.
Yeah. Air comes in, air goes out.
Yep, we have 1 solar panel up and 3 more to go.
All right, I got a hole cut from my gland. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the wires fed through here and down into the van. Kind of get this where it's gonna go.
That's actually a really nice little deck up there.
Oh, it's big.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be just fine.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really, really big. I mean,
Yeah, is it like 4 feet by 4 feet almost?
yeah, probably almost more than 4 feet. 4 and a couple inches, 4 and 3 inches
Nice.
by 47.
Wow, so almost 4 feet wide too.
Yep.
Yeah, nice.
Well, just in time for the first rain of the spring. This first rain. It hasn't rained in months, and now it's raining as soon as we got this entry gland in. How many screws do you need, minimum? I'm gonna go with 8. 8 screws. Count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys soon.
You ready? You wanna go back inside? You ready? Come on. You ready? You were all ready for a little ride, weren't you?